Yun na. You've been graduated in 2007, so you are 38. You're 38 already. You graduated in high school. So, did you study college, or after you graduate high school, you work? Ay, sakit akong likod. Edit. I'm going to edit my other videos while just chit-chatting here in YouTube to be productive. I'm trying to be productive, you know. Sometimes I feel so. Sometimes I am so. Sobrang init din dito, mahal. Over 40 degrees ang init. Inom tubig po lagi. Mainit nga talaga. Kaya dapat talagang uminom ng tubig palagi. Ikaw din dapat kang uminom ng tubig palagi. Para naman hindi ka ma-dehydrate. I work on a farm. It's good to know. You work on a farm. You don't study college. So how about Matthew? He works also in the farm. Lobat na pala ito isa. Hindi siya lobat. Together. Did it all of love. He works at a grocery store here in Kentucky. That's so nice. He worked in the farm and him working in a grocery store. That's good. So you work during daytime, right? Going together. Ay, shooty. Bakit ganito? Buang lagi ni siya on. Kakainis. Yeah, we work in the daytime. So, is it not late there in Kentucky right now or what? Palagot lagi ni ay pistot. Ano ito? Isin ko sa ilok. Isin ko sa ilok. Amew, amew, amew. It's very